Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today is the first video for 2026, so I took a nice long break and I want to spend some time with my family during the holidays. So today I'm going to make something special. I'm going to show you how I make chocolate chip pancakes. These are absolutely divine. Let's get started. I get a large mixing bowl and a sifter. Put 1.5 cups of plain flour, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, like that, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Just sift this in there. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now just mix it together a little bit. One and a half cups of milk. I'm using 2%, but any milk will do. 1 more drink. About a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now just mix all this together until we get a nice pancake batter. And the final ingredient, half a cup of chocolate chips. Just mix them together a little bit. And I almost forgot, 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Pour it in the mixture and mix it in really, really well. In a frying pan over medium or low medium, and you can use butter or what I'm gonna use is some canola oil, spray oil. Not too much. I just pour the mixture. Depends on how big we want the pancake. And just wait for it to start bubbling and go on dry in the edges. Once bubbles form on top and it's dry on the edges, definitely wait to flip. Oh, perfect. And there you have fluffy stack of chocolate chip pancakes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for chocolate chip pancakes, as you can see. Oh, these are so good, and it's a perfect thing to have for breakfast, for sure. I'm gonna try. Oh, these taste like heaven. Scrumptious. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one for a new recipe. Peace out.